pool area, and now we're going to go eat Italian. Yay!
Spaghetti.
Pat's happy now.
Yummy, yummy.
Here we go.
My favorite.
Bye.
Thank you.
Weenie.
Terry, filling out her. She gets a linguine. The name goes at the bottom.
That's okay.
Naturally, I'm going to get linguine with tomato basil. And what we always write is extra. So what we want to do is we don't want no grilled chicken, we don't want no Italian sausage, we don't want no shrimp, we do want tomatoes. We'll put some tomatoes in it. Oh, onions. All right. Mushrooms. Zucchinis, peppers, black spinach. No, we're going to skip all that. We don't want no bread. We don't want no salad. Yeah, we do want a beer. Yeah, but we'll order that. All right. Anyway, so that's your menu. That's your menu. Yes, Cucina Del Capitano. Best view. We got the spaghetti with, she didn't get all the mushrooms and stuff I did, but then she got some bread. And when we asked them for extra sauce, they did not disappoint. That's mine. Love sauce.
I might have yours.
But I have mushrooms and onions, as you saw.
I do too. What's
5 minutes later, it stopped raining.
We're going to dinner. We just came out our door. I wanted y'all to see how pretty we decorated it. It's got a lot of flamingos all over. It's really pretty. And that way at night we can find our door real easy. When you're coming down the hall, you can say, oh, there's our door.
Yeah.
But no, everybody's saying they like it. So good.
All right, so anyway, so remember we changed our dinner from 5:15, which you signed up for 6.
Right.
So we went, now we're gonna go at 7:30, changed our table and everything, so it'll
Yeah.
work out.
We're going. Now we're hungry.
5:15 is just way
And
too
then
early.
hopefully we get to go to a comedy show. We'll see.
Yep. All right, we'll bring it to you.
All right, bye-bye.
Bring you that menu right about.
Now.
Terry started off with the chicken Alfredo as her appetizer. I got lentil soup and clam chowder. All right, Terry got chicken, the roasted chicken, and I got the roasted chicken with potatoes, some kind of saucy, well, it's saucy there. I don't know what it is. I'll try it.
I didn't know.
Kind of dark in here. Dark in here, though.
It's dark. I'm skiing. No, we're the comedy show. I'm not skiing.
All right, getting ready to watch comedy show.
Hopefully he'll be good.
Yeah,
Pat won a lot at the casino and I lost.
I did. What a lot.
I lost like $50.
That's for life savings.
He thinks that's funny. It's not funny.
Yeah, that's right. All right, see you.
Bye.
Put it in nine. This next officer is probably the. I think I gotta wait, right? Now here on board, we have over 1,400 crew members. Come from 60, even making sure anywhere you go around the ship there's power. Please, put it together. What's up with doing it?
Good evening. Huh? Let's try again. Good evening. Okay, that's the spirit. Alright, welcome on board the beautiful Carnival Vista. Nationality, 60, 70 different nationality. For us doesn't matter the place you live, your color, your race, your religion. We include everybody in our family and we will make sure you enjoy your vacation. Thank you. As well, this cruise we have 4,200 guests on board. I know some of them are first-time cruisers with us, so welcome on board. And I would like to change the questa giorni. Salute! Cheers! Salute! Alright, so.
And she knows how to please. Sure enough to make the strong man to his knees. So she's a breaker. House. She's mighty, mighty. Just letting it all hang out. She's a breaker.
Take it. You're good. You're good.
You made it pretty too. Like it. Thank you.
All right, it's about that time.
We just got out of the comedy show and he was really funny.
He was
Kind of gross, but funny.
Yeah, he
And-
was definitely dirty.
Yeah, and then we're here at the Ocean Plaza. We're listening to the band and our breakdown. They play really good music that we like. And now,
We're switching it up a little bit tonight. She got a pina colada, and I
wanted
got
something different.
chocolate martini.
Delicious. Cheers.
Well, she tried to go get a milkshake, but they close at 10:30. So you know, 10:30. Weird time, but whatever.
And we got there at
Yep.
10:34.
Yep. All right, tomorrow is Relax Away Key, now they're calling it, but it's Half Moon Key. And we thought maybe the new dock was open, but it's not. So we'll be tendering. So we got $8.50 tender tickets. So I don't want none of that. So anyway, so we'll see you in the morning. We're going to call it a night and go to bed.
After I drink something.
After she drinks a pina colada. All right. See you in the morning.
Night.